The whole issue started when Ruga tweeted about an artist whose song is not good enough to inspire organic consumption but resort to paying influencers and spinning it up on TikTok in an attempt to force it down consumers' throats. He tweeted, while the tweet wasn't directed at any artist in particular, it would appear it was an insult to the entire industry, as the strategy in question is employed by many artists. BNXN was the first artist to hit back at Ruga, as he told Ruga not to bite the finger that fed him, while reminding him that his boss also employs the same strategy. BNXN wasn't done, as he revealed that there existed streaming farms in Nigeria where artists paid to get automated streams. He said the process was devoid of real fans or real people and it was all a facade. Remember that BNXN and Ruga have been at loggerheads after Ruga claimed BNXN didn't have a solo hit, and the statement sparked a war of words between the artists. From all indications, there is no love lost between the two. Who do you think is right?